राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः सुप्रभातम वेलकम यू ऑल टू Q&A सेशन गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरो मम पाहि गुरो. Let us begin with the stotrani. Ekvaram parayanam kurmaha. Let us do the parayanam of the shlokas and the subhashitani, and then let us start with the Q&A session. I request all of you to recite along with me. Okay, so I shall be telling it. I request all of you to recite along with me loudly. So anyway, you will be on mute, but please recite it. Ajannirvikalpan nirakaramekam निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परन्निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम. मालासुधाकुम्भविबोधमुद्रा विद्याविराजत्करवारिजाताम् अपार कारुण्य सुधाम्बुराशिं श्रीशारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूत्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये. विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे. भारती करुणापात्रं भारतीपदभूषणं भारतीपदमारूढं भारतीतीर्थमाश्रये. Hope all of you are memorizing these shlokas. So please do practice it on a daily basis. So it will be of very great benefit. Now let us revise and practice the Subhashitani. I shall be telling again. So I request all of you to recite along with me. Nasti vidya samo bandhuh, nasti satya samantapah, nasti raga samam dukkham, नास्ति त्यागसमं सुखं. नभसो भूषणं चन्द्रः नारीणां भूषणं पतिः. पृथिव्या भूषणं राजा विद्या सर्वस्य भूषणं. सुखस्यानन्तरं दुःखं दुःखस्यानन्तरं सुखं. चक्रवत् परिवर्तन्ते दुःखानि च सुखानि च. नरस्याभरणं रूपं रूपस्याभरणं गुणः गुणस्याभरणं ज्ञानं ज्ञानस्याभरणं क्षमा. विदेशेषु धनं विद्या व्यसनेषु धनं मतिः. परलोके धनं धर्मः शीलं सर्वत्र वैधनम्. प्रदोषे दीपकश्चन्द्रः प्रभाते दीपको रविः. त्रैलोक्ये दीपको धर्मः सुपुत्रः कुलदीपकः. लालयेत् पञ्चवर्षाणि 10 वर्षाणि ताडयेत्. प्राप्ते तु 16 वर्षे पुत्रं मित्रवदाचरेत्. स्वगृहे पूज्यते मूर्खः स्वग्रामे पूज्यते प्रभुः. स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूज्यते. अधमाधनमिच्छन्ति धनमानौ तु मध्यमाः. उत्तमात्मानमिच्छन्ति मानो हि महतान् धनम्. Kshanam. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः वृत्तन्तु सर्वथा रक्षेत वित्तमायाति याति च न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणः वृत्ततस्तु हतो हतः. Let's also quickly revise the Varnotpatti sthanani. अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कंठः इचु यशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा नुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपूपध्मानीयानां ओष्ठौ न्यमगणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कंठतालु ओदौतोः कंठोष्ठं वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठं जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलं नासिका अनुस्वारस्य. So I request all of you to practice these, the Parayana portions, whatever is there for memorization, which has been also put up on the course page. So please recite this on a daily basis so that you will be able to remember it well. Okay, so now we shall quickly revise the questions from yesterday's lesson, Aramaha. Let us try to solve it in next 10 minutes or so, and then we shall go for the Q&A. I shall share my screen. So I request participants to raise their hand. So since this is a meeting, you will not see the raise hand button on your screen directly. What you'll have to do is click on participants icon. There you can see your name and everything, like other participants' names, etc. Click on participants icon, and then below there is some of the actions or some symbols will be there. There is a raise hand button. So please click on that. Okay, so that you will be able to raise your hand. So I can see some of you and I can unmute you to answer few questions. So let us start that way with respect to Aramaha. So I shall unmute two students now. Please don't go on mute when I unmute you, because again you'll not be able to unmute yourself later. So Namrata Bhagini and Vinay SV.
Ram Ram Mahoday.
Ram. Yeah, one of you can ask the question and another person can answer for first 5, and next 5 you can reverse the roles.
Aramaha kutrasti
यत्र अधिकं जलसौकर्यम् अस्ति तत्र आरामः सन्ति.
Very good.
Aramesh.
Okay, I'll just tell the answer also. So tatra aramah asti. That is the answer. Yatra adhikam jalasaukaryam asti tatra aramah asti. Very good. Okay, next question.
Arameshu ke vrukshaah rohanti.
आरामेषु प्रायः नारिकेलवृक्षः, पूगवृक्षाः, आम्रवृक्षाः, पनसवृक्षाः, कदलीपादपाः इत्यादिकाः वृक्षाः रोहन्ति.
Kadalipadapah cha rohanti is also sufficient. Ityadi vrikshaha rohanti, you can also add. There's no problem with that. So Arameshu, these trees, Narikela vrikshaha, Puga vrikshaha, Panasa vrikshaha, Amra vrikshaha, etc. Kadalipadapah cha rohanti. That will be the answer. Yes. Next question.
Sarvatra sulabhani phalani kani.
सर्वत्र सुलभानि फलानि कदली फलानि.
Very good.
Kasya vrukshasya kalpavrukshaha iti namasti.
नारिकेलवृक्षस्य कल्पवृक्षः इति नामास्ति.
Kutra marichikaah rohanti.
मरीचिकाः पूगान् अवलम्ब्यैव रोहन्ति.
Pugan, Puga vrikshan, so Pugan, Avalambya rohanti. Avalambyaiva rohanti is also fine, and there's no mistake in that. But even if you write Arameshu Puga vrikshan athava pugan avalambya rohanti. That should be also sufficient. Uttamam. Well answered, Vinay Mohdaya. Now you can ask the questions and Namrata Bhagini would answer.
कदली गुच्छे कति फलानि विद्यन्ते?
कदलीगुच्छे शताधिकानि फलानि विद्यन्ते.
Very good.
नारिकेलवृक्षाः कीदृश जलं यच्छन्ति?
नारिकेलवृक्षाः अमृतकल्पं जलं यच्छन्ति.
कृषकाः कतिवारं वृक्षान् जलेन सिञ्चन्ति?
कृषकाः द्विवारं त्रिवारं वा वृक्षान् जलेन सिञ्चन्ति.
Okay, here
Narikel-
mase dvivaram trivaram va. So mase was missed. So krishakaha mase dvivaram trivaram va vrikshan jalena sinchanti would be the apt answer. But well answered. Yes, we can proceed.
नारिकेलवृक्षाः कुत्र विशेषण रोहन्ति? विशेषेण
नारिकेलवृक्षाः उष्णदेशे विशेषेण रोहन्ति.
Very good.
कृषकाः गृहेषु कान् पालयन्ति?
कृषकाः गृहेषु अजान्, अवीन्, धेनुः, वृषभान् पालयन्ति.
Cha, you can add a cha at the end. So krishakaha griheshu ajan aveen dhenuhu vrishabhan cha palayanti. Very good. Uttama ritya tatra uttarani dattani both by Vinay Mohdaya and Namrata Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Very well answered. Please
Dhanyavad.
continue preparing the same way. Sure. Astu, and you can lower your hands for now so that I can give answers to chance to others to answer. Okay. Agre gachamaha. Rajaraman Mohdaya, can you try answering these fill in the blank questions?
Namaste. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Dash
कदली फलानि अत्यंत मधुराणि.
Atyantam madhurani. Samichinam.
अत्यंतं मधुराणि. क्षेत्रपालकः फलं वृक्षेभ्यः प्रयच्छन्ति.
No. What will the
Phalam.
No.
फलं.
No. Vrikshebhya phalam prayachati va. So will the kshetrapalaka give fruit to the tree? No. But
Oh,
they,
अच्छा. Give, अच्छा. I thought it gets.
so the
Jalam.
jalam
not
also is
jalam.
fine, but there is one specific word in the lesson which is dohadam, the manure.
Doha. Right.
Dohadam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dohadam.
Yes. Phalani dash.
Nagapalli.
No, Puga Phalani. It is again part of the lesson only.
Puga Phalani, Naga Phalani, Khadanti.
No. Puga Phalani, then Marichikaha, and then Elaha. The last word you need to put there. Amulyani.
Okay. Samulyani.
Amulyani. These are valuable. So that is a thing.
Sorry,
And
I was not.
the last statement of the
कृषकस्य जीवनं धन्यमहो. Dhanyam.
Aho is an expression. Alas. He found
Yes.
something like that. Aho is something like that. So
Dhanyam.
कृषकस्य जीवनं धन्यम.
Dhanyam.
उत्तमं महोदय. धन्यवादाः.
Dhanyawad.
Okay. Ganesha Mohdaya, can you try the next main? Select and write the odd man out.
Ram Ram Mohdaya.
Ram.
Phalam pushpam jalam madura.
Okay. Why?
Dhavati kridati chalati stitaha.
Okay. Can you also give the reason why it is an odd man out so that it is easier? What kind of questions will be coming and identify them.
For first case, phalam pushpam jalam, it is all related to the some namavali. Phalam pushpam jalam madura is a taste, so it is odd man out.
Okay, so phalam pushpam jalam. Okay, and another way to look at it is these three are napumsakalinga shabdas and madhuraha is a pullinga shabda. That is one way. Okay.
Then
And
dhavati, kriyadati, chalati. It is all moving, and sthita is stationary. That's why it is out of order. Or second thing, it is all kriya pada. Dhavati, kriyadati,
that is right.
chalati.
That is right. That is right.
And
Sthitaha
sthita is not a kriya pada.
Yes, yes, that is right. Okay, the
Then
third one.
imaha, mrugaha, taha, etaha. Mruga is out and out because ima, mruga or sarvanama is there. And mruga is it is not a sarvanama.
Very good, very good. Imaha, taha, etaha, sarvanama shabdas. Mrugaha is a namapadam. Very good. The last one.
Then ham, katham, tvam, etam. Katham is odd and out. Katham.
Right.
Because aham, tvam, etam is all a sarvanama. It is also sarvanama.
Right.
Katham is not a sarvanama.
Katham is an avyaya. Aham,
Avyaya.
etam is these three are namapadas, but katham is an avyaya, and hence it is odd man out. Very good, Mahodaya. Well answered. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, sir. Dhanyawad.
We will go to the next main. I'm calling in the same order. The people have raised their hands. So, Shri Padma Bhagini, can you answer the first main? That is
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Kritva Nama Likhata. Can you answer?
Kritvapi.
Very good.
Kritvapi Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
That is right. Very good. Next one.
Sukhenaiva Vriddhi Sandhi.
Very good.
Maharshi Guna Sandhi.
Very good.
Maharshi Guna Sandhi. Sa plus iti. Sa iti vasyati.
No, just think about it. Think about it. Ganeshaha. What is it? Gana plus Ishaha. Ganeshaha.
Ganeshaha Seti.
Yes, that's it. Seti. That's it. That is the answer.
Seti. Guna Sandhi. Yana Sandhi.
No, it is Guna Sandhi only. Seti is
Guna
Guna.
Sandhi.
Yes. Okay.
Dhanyawad.
Well answered. Okay. So we'll go to the next person. Brinda Srinivasan. Can you try answering the first four of the Sandhi Vibhajya Nama Likhata? Right. Split and name the Sandhis. First four of them.
Jeevanaha upayogini.
Jeevanaha will not come. Jeevana upayogini.
Sorry. Jeevana upayogini. Upayogini.
Yes.
Gunasandhi.
That is right. Second one.
Dhanya adini.
Very good.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Very good. Very good.
Yatra adhikam. Adhikam. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Very good.
Vyanjana upayujyante.
Vyanjanaya upayujyante.
Vyanjanaya upayujyante.
Which is Gunasandhi.
Gunasandhi.
Dhanyawadaha, Brinda Bhagini. Well answered.
Dhanyawadaha.
Okay. Koham Mahodaya, can you answer? The next four.
Avalambya plus eva. Avalambya gunas vriddhi sandhi.
That is right. Avalambya eva vriddhi sandhi. Yes.
Yatha plus ichham. Yathechham gunasandhi.
Very good.
Kritvadhikam. Kritva plus adhikam. Savarna dirgha sandhi.
That is right.
Parijata adini. Parijata plus adini. Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Very good. Well answered. Dhanyawadaha. So.
No, Ram Ram.
Ram. So we shall proceed further to the next mains. So wherever there's Sandhi, I'm just repeating this so that it is easier for you to remember as well. Try to see where, in which location, in which Varna, in which letter the Sandhi is getting affected. Okay. Affected rather. Sorry. So Upayogini or Upayujyante, etc. Jeevanopayogini. O kara is there. Wherever O or A kara is there, then it is Guna Sandhi or Ar for that matter. And then wherever there is Dirghas, then it is usually Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. And wherever there is I kara or Au kara, there it could be Vriddhi Sandhi. And wherever Yakara, Vakara, Rakara or Lakara, these Rekha La are coming, There it is yen sandhi. So if you remember this, it is easier to identify and split the words and then give out the answer for sandhis. Okay, so keep practicing it. Okay, so let us go to the next one. So now in this main, what we'll have to do is we'll have to identify each word and classify it whether it is namapadam or kriyapadam or an avyayam. Indeclinables means an avyaya which will not change with respect to any gender or number or case, that is vibhakti. Verbs are patati, etc. These kriyapadas are verbs. Okay, and namapadani. Namapadam is nothing but Ramaha, Krishnaha, etc. Any of these words are namapadas. So Shanta Bhagini, can you answer these? Shanta CK.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Rohati Kriyapadam.
Very good.
Prayaha Aviyam.
Hmm.
Phalani Namapadam.
Hmm.
Aham Namapadam.
Very good.
Katham Aviyam.
Right.
Asmi Kriyapadam.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. So hope this main is clear for everyone. So need to understand which are all the avyayas and then identify. So like this, there may be more questions also, like from different lessons. Though this kind of exercise may not be present in the end of the book or end of the lesson, if there are some identifiable avyayas, etc., they can be also asked. Okay, so please identify whenever you read any of the lesson, etc., to classify them as namapadam, kriyapadam, and avyayam. Okay, so next let us do this fill in the blanks. Next person in the line, I don't know, it is name as user. Please rename yourself correctly. Yeah, you can unmute and answer this main. It is user. Okay.
Acha, I am Praveen Kulkarni.
Okay, Praveen Kulkarni. Okay, sure.
Okay. Aham Chatvaram Phalam Khadami.
Shimeta. Yes. See, try to see what it is correctly, and then
Aham Madhuram Phalam Khadami.
Yes, that is right.
Then
see, since they have given the choices, okay.
Chaturaha Balaha Pratyaham Pathati.
Very good. Chaturaha Balaha Pratyaham Pathati. Yes. Tasmin Grihe dash janaha.
Tasmin Grihe Pancha Janaha Nivasanti.
Very good. Pancha Janaha Nivasanti.
Then Ganeshaya Raktani Kusumani Priyani.
Very good.
Dasharathasya Pancha Putraha Santi.
No, Chatvaraha Putraha Santi. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna.
Okay.
Anyway, Pancha is taken in Janaha.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So that's what. Though here Tasmin Grihe Chatvaraha Janaha Nivasanti is also a correct answer. It's a correct answer. But Dasharathasya Pancha Putraha Santi will not be a right answer.
Right.
So there we will have to adjust the number correctly.
Correct.
But otherwise, yes, well answered. Dhanyavadaha Praveen Mohoday. Okay, we shall go to the next main. Sunil Mohodaya. I think it's named as Sunil's iPad, etc. So
Asmi Swa Smaha.
Asmi Swaha Smaha. Yes.
Tvai Yuvyo Yushmasu.
Yuva Yoho. Please be clear and telling it.
Yuva Yoho Yushmasu.
Yes.
Etena Etabhyam Etaihi.
Very good.
Kanyaye Kanyabhyam Kanyabhyah.
Right.
Karomi Kurva Kurmaha.
Very good.
Nadi Nadyo Nadyah.
Very good. Very good. Uttamam. Well answered, Bhagini. Your name?
I'm Rajni Bhargav.
Rajni Bhargav. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. I shall rename you with that name. So next time I can call you. Okay. Sure. Dhanyavadaha. We'll proceed to the next student. Before that, there are some notes that was given in the textbook. So I just thought I will just put it here. Though it is clear, and most of the times I am telling all these information, just that for the completion of it, I'm just showing this. So memorize all the forms in all the genders, cases, and numbers, and use them in sentences like Rama Shabda, Krishna Shabda, etc. Memorize these. Akarantaha Pullingaha, Akarantaha Strilingaha, then Akarantaha Napumsakalinga Shabda, like Vanam, etc. These Shabdas which we have learned in our earlier classes, all these Shabdas. And along with that, the Sarvanama Shabdas for Tat Shabda, Dakarantaha, Trishulinga, Tatra, Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga, Tat Shabda and Etat Shabda. Then Makarantaha, Kim Shabda. So that is again in Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. Then Asmad and Yushmat Shabdas. So please learn all these Shabdas. So it will be helpful. Memorize them and also try to use them in sentences like Ramaha Likhati, Krishnau Likhataha, then Bhimaha Likhanti, something like this. Try using them according to the number and along with the Kriya Padam. So that way the sentence construction will be also correct. Then Tvam Likhasi, Yuvam and Yuyam. So Likhasi, Likhataha, Likhatha, use the correct forms. Aham Pathami, Vayam Pathamaha. So these practices you should do. Then note the points given under the section on grammar. In some places, there is one section which is grammar, which I have also explained in the class. For example, wherever we see Vina, then either Dvitiya, Tritiya or Panchami Vibhakti will be used. So these are some of the grammar points. That is what they are mentioning here. So remember those and then try to use them correctly. Similarly, Saha, Sakam, Sardham, Samam. Wherever these words are used, it will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. The corresponding word will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. The same way, we will see two more which we have seen in yesterday's class, but we will do some exercise based on it. And next, what is meant by Subanta and what is meant by Tinganta, etc. I had told during my class again in the previous classes. Subanta is nothing but is a noun along with the case suffixes. Basically, sub is a set of pratyayas, suffixes that get added onto the pratipadikam or the base word of the noun, and hence these words are called Subanta. Anta means ending. Whichever end with sub pratyayas are called Subanta. So Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, etc. are all called Subantas. And similarly, Pathati, Kridati, Kridati, Kridataha, Kridanti, etc. All these words are called Tinganta because these are ending with Ting pratyayas. So totally there are 18 Ting pratyayas which we had seen in our earlier classes. Just that since the note is there, I'm just repeating this. Next, now importantly, Paritaha and Abhitaha. Whenever we use this, okay, which means around, okay, whenever these indeclinables are used, then we will have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti. Graham Paritaha Pushpavatika Shobhate. Aramam Abhitaha Kantaka Vritihi Asti, etc. So around, Abhitaha, Paritaha both mean the same, around. So whenever we use this, we should use Dvitiya Vibhakti. Now let us do a small exercise based on it, and that shall conclude. Renuka Bhagini, can you try? They have given in the bracket what it is, what word you should use. Use the correct Vibhakti form of it. Dash Paritaha Pipilikaha Santi.
Sharkasham Paritaha.
Sharkaram Paritaha. Sharkara means sugar. Sharkaram Paritaha Pipilikaha Santi. Pipilika means ant. Okay. Yeah, you can tell the next one.
Adhyapakam Abhitaha Chatraha Santi.
Very good.
Kamalam Abhitaha Bramaraha
Gunjanti. Right.
Sarovaram Paritaha Parvataha Virajante. Ashramam Paritaha Vrikshaha Santi.
Very good. Uttamam. So this is the exercise related to Aramaha. And I think all of you have answered very well. And I hope all of you have also completed this homework in your own books. If not, please refer back to these model answers, which I shall upload as soon as this today's class is over. I mean, today's Q&A session is over, and you can refer back to them. Okay. So now I shall lower everyone's hands right now. Okay. One minute. Yeah, I'm lowering everyone's hands now. Now I shall go chapter by chapter and I shall tell the chapter names. For students who have doubts in those chapters, please raise your hands.